Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And yes, I've been gone a while. I needed a break. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't wanting anything. I had videos recorded. I still do. I'll probably still throw them up if I ever get them edited. Just like little hauls or something from like over a month ago, like almost. I still have videos that I meant to put out, and it's just, I don't know, even now, it's just like, I'm just not with it. There's so much going on, just in the world in general, but it was also the anniversary of my grandma's passing last Saturday. There was just other things going on. Today is my nephew's 16th birthday, the one who survived cancer, and has been declared cancer-free now. But yeah, so today's his 16th birthday. We're planning on doing his birthday on Saturday, and they've got a big old pool set up, so hopefully I'll be able to get some sun this weekend, because they haven't opened my pool at my apartment for COVID reasons. Tomorrow we have to start wearing masks throughout the state. I'm in Alabama, by the way, so there's that thing. Anyway, I've got a couple hauls to show you. That's why I don't have anything in my hair, because one thing, there's a few things from Hot Topic, and Granny already gave out a couple things that were from the Hot Topic haul to my nieces and nephews. They had a $6 shirt haul, and then I was trying to use a coupon, which is, I ordered a couple more things. But anyway, so since it's my nephew's birthday, I plan on giving some of the stuff that I hauled from Hot Topic and also from Factory Connection. Like, I have a haul, a really good like winter clearance haul. They finally like way discounted their winter clearance from last year, so I wanted to go ahead and throw that up too. But yeah, he's getting all close. And then a freaking ice cream cake, which I have to order tonight, I think, because it's a 2-day leeway, but I want to go ahead and make sure it's good. And he wanted an ice cream cake. You know, he's not big on regular cakes. All my other nieces and nephews, cookie cake, regular cake, fine. You know how expensive those are when you order them from Dairy Queen? Like a 9-inch round one is $27.99, and a sheet cake, which I'm tempted to go, is freaking $32.99, so there's not a lot of difference. The first thing I hauled from Hot Topic, and I actually had to go pick these up, and I actually picked them up a week and a half ago, not this past weekend, weekend before last. Like, they only give you a week to pick up too when they come in, and I only had one email saying that, hey, your order is here, and then I just asked them if my other order was there, and it was. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, so the first thing I ordered, I just thought these were cute. They were like way on sale. They were originally $10.90. I think I paid under $5. I know I paid under $5 for these. It's just a little Lion King stuff. You know what? I'm gonna stick these in my hair if I can get them out. I have to work that out later. It's like, I'm not used to putting bobby pins in my hair that are like that stiff. That's what they are. They're like that stiff. So we're just gonna. Maybe so there's my hair decoration for today. Now, what I already gave them was, I had ordered, like, they had it, it was on a couple of days, the sale was, and I went ahead and ordered from what my nephew's sizes were the last time I ordered, okay? Anything, right? Turns out my younger nephew, the 14-year-old, has decided to have his growth spurt, which I figured was coming because he already caught up to the 16-year-old now in shoe size by Christmas. At Christmas, he could still wear like extra large in kids, like barely, and like extra small in men's, right? And then that changed by his birthday. He needed small in like 30 waist, 29 waist. That's what he needed. Oh no, his birthday was in March, okay? I gave him his stuff in March, and they fit fine. You know, that boy, like, he had to get clothes for a funeral for my sister-in-law's father. That's a whole nother thing that happened this past few weeks. And he's in a medium and a 32, which is the same size his brother's wearing. and kids. So yeah, he's not quite as tall yet, but he's fixing to be. Like, he's got a shorter torso than Tristan, the one who turned 16, just a slight bit. But yeah, I saw him in a medium shirt versus small. But anyway, sorry. I bought smalls in Star Wars. He's still a huge Star Wars fan. Always has been. Probably always will be since he was 3 years old. And they had like some cool Star Wars shirts. And I got the small. And they had that in stock. And it was like they were going out of stock of a lot of it. I was telling my sister-in-law that I had scored this deal. That was like $6 shirts at Hot Topic. And she goes, oh yeah, I guess he's like a medium now. I'm like, thanks for telling me. I sent them all a message. If y'all grow, you'll have to tell me, because you never know when I'm shopping. I don't tell them. I'm always shopping, always looking for a deal. There's too many kids for me not to be looking for sales all the time. Anyway. So, I did get this for him, the 16-year-old, a little Fortnite keychain. He plays Fortnite all the time. Funko Poplo keychain. I think it's like $4 or something. I think this is going to be his shirt. This Genji shirt from Overwatch. And I didn't know that I had his tag. But I thought that was pretty cute and interesting. He would like that. I also picked up this one. But honestly, if I find something better, more suited to this taste, I might give him something different. And give this to Nathan, because Nathan would wear it. But I don't think this is bad, so I think he could possibly wear this. But this is Titanfall, which is a game, as is Overwatch. I think it's going to be interesting. Kind of like LS Punisher kind of vibes going on. I don't know these games at all. Now, this is one of the Star Wars that I was actually able to get in a medium. The rest were sold out in medium. But I went ahead and gave him the smalls. Nathan, so I said, well, you might get like 1 month or 2 months. You can kind of still squeeze in the small. It's just shorter. Smaller, I said, where you have to give it to your younger brother. But anyway, I said to get this one, which is a newer movie. Right on. Now he's old school. He loves Yoda, but it's harder to find Yoda shirt. You can find baby Yoda shirt. This is really cool. This is a Gears of War shirt. Yeah, just thought a Gears 5 shirt, and I just thought it was pretty awesome design, and Nathan would wear that. It's just Gears 5 on the back. So this one also got in a medium, and I had got this in an extra small, which I went ahead and gave to their younger brother, so I didn't want him to feel like that. These shirts, he needs some more anyway. But this is a medium. It's a Black Panther one. It's pretty cool. Probably going in Nathan, but honestly, it might go to Tristan just because I don't know if Nathan will wear pink. Nathan's not, he won't wear pink usually. His colors are black and red. He might. I mean, it's an accent thing, but his brother wouldn't mind it at all. Now this one I wanted to be for my nephew Nathan because it's totally his vibe, but it's small. So it's going to go to Caleb. Caleb's still in like a 14-16 shirt and like a 12 pant, 12-14 pant. Something makes it. He's a little shorter. But this is a Marvel Zombies. But honestly, it could actually go. Like if they had this in me, I might have got it for Tristan because he likes zombies. But I just thought it was pretty rad. Pretty cool in it. Thor and all. So, and this one is a small as well. I think I had meant this one for Nathan when I first ordered it. See, I ordered one day, and then the next day I figured out, oh, he's not in that size anymore. Oopsie. So this is the Avengers, like, what do they call it? Like the fading into nothingness on the first Avengers or Infinity War game. Or Infinity War. Yeah. Which Caleb will love it too. Caleb still loves the Avenger movies. All of them really do. But especially Caleb and Nathan. You know, they should have fond memories of me taking them to the drive-in to see every movie. And this one is an extra small. This one is actually for my niece, Alyssa, who's into band shirts and stuff, but she also has a soft spot for Doctor Who. She used to watch all of them, so this will fit her. Might even be a little baggy. They're worth the one. So next, I went to Factory Connection. I don't know. They had big sales. Were some great things. So these were on sale for like $2.50 each, I do believe. All these blanket scarves, okay? Look at this color. These are so soft. They're like the softest flannel. They're not fleecy, but it's like the softest flannel ever. Like softer than a flannel shirt. Like just so soft, and like you can kind of see the fuzzy. Like, isn't that cute? I don't think they're infinity. Yeah, like you can actually drape them this way. But so soft. So I got that color, and then I got this color. Really soft, really pretty colors. And then I got this color. I got 3 older nieces. One just turned 18. The other one's going to be 17 by the time Christmas rolls around. She turns 17 in December. And then the other one's going to be 22. So, got all these colors. I love them. I know they're more like fall. Well, this one's definitely more fall. But I got those 3. And then I got them each a toboggan. These are like $2.50 as well. They are like the softest knit ever. And then this is so, it's really firm, but this really feels like fur. I don't think it is. But it's like, that's so cute. So I was able to get 3 of these. So they'll have matching toboggans, but a different scarf. And I was like, you know, I've got 1 pair of socks for 1 teen, and maybe I might have enough for all 3 of them. But I figured, you know, that's a good Christmas gift, like the toboggan, the scarf, a pair of socks, you know? That's a good little Christmas gift. So, yeah, already buying for Christmas. Alright, next up. They had a better sale than the last time I went to Factory Connection, which has been like a month or 2 ago. I don't know. I think that haul should be up. Pretty sure. So I was able to get 1 32 pair of jeans for $12.50, and I just love, they are straight fit. They're so nice. I don't even know what brand they are. They've marked out the brand, you know, Factory Connection just marked out that brand. But they're nice and thick and sturdy. They're really nice. So that's going to be one of Tristan's presents. And then this one I had bought, I was like going in for mediums, and I was thinking mostly for Tristan, but also, you know, it's something if I change my mind or whatever, go for Nathan now. And this one I had originally thought for Tristan, but looking at it more, no, this is Nathan. So this is going to be one of his for Christmas. Long sleeve, red and black, yes. This little dress shirt, this one was $8, marked down to $8, and it's from 88. I did pick this up for Tristan. This is for $6.40. Guess I'll wear a peachy cotton color, kind of like that. So there's one of his. And also this dress shirt, I got one for him, but I think he'll like this one. Actually, both of them would wear it, so if one steals it from either, it's fine. But yeah, either Tristan will actually wear this one, but I think Tristan will actually really like this one. And it, MSRP is $48. It's $12.80. Straight faded. And then I found 1 pair of shorts. I thought maybe 2, but I figured he'd wear these ones. They're nice for church or whatever. MSRP is $60, $12.75. This is Izod. They obviously came from a department store. Look how that sticker. So here's some nice little black shorts. And this one's definitely for Nathan and for Christmas. Just a simple shirt. These got for $5 each. Okay, this is a pair that's going to be for my now 18-year-old niece. $5 just size 9. She wears like an 8.5. But I just thought they were so cute. Look at that, like leopard, which is so in right now. But this is like a more muted version because it's like more camel colored, and this is like a soft suede feel, and I just kind of love that. I think she will too. I got her like short boots, different like than these last year, and I just think she'll really like enjoy that, and they'll be comfy and stuff. So that's from the brand Yoki. Now these from Charles Albert, and they're a size 10. Clearance $5, MSRP is $40, and they're $20. factory connection. And these are simple but cute functional kind of thing, you know. I have pairs of these, like slightly different design, more fur than this. Like that I just wear. I love because they are like so warm during the winter. They're like waterproof, pretty much, so proof, you know, stuff like that whenever it actually snows, or ice proof. I don't know if these can really walk on ice, maybe. That's actually kind of hard. It's not it's not like a slipper. You know how they sell these like in a slipper form? It's not like that. This is hard, like it won't bend. But I thought it was so cute. Like I was thinking this for me, and I was like, no, I got like 2 pairs of gray ones. Got a pair of gray ones that I wear all the time that are like fur, and I'm like, I mean, they're furry on the inside. They have that like fake fur, and then it's a sweater. I'm like, so this will be warm, but it's not like what I would normally buy my nieces. Like I bought them like $20 boots last year, but honestly, I'm like, you know, she might not wear them all the time, but it's like these are the shoes when you're running out the door, like, or it's freezing cold, and you just want something on your feet that's warm, that's gonna like waterproof your feet. You know, keep your feet warm, or even around the house when it's chilly. And I see her using that. Like my gonna be 17 she's 16 now. We wear the same size shoe, by the way. But I was like, you know, I don't know if she really wants them, but it's like one of those pairs you need some of these in your life. I've got black, and then I've got a couple blacks, and then like a gray. And so if you need some of these, like, because they're the easiest things to slip on a winter day when you're already freezing or fixing to go out in the cold, and like that. So it's like, yeah. So I'm gonna get her those for her birthday. Now for her birthday, I'm gonna probably get her some kind of type of Vans, or Vans with the light. I saw one for Hot Topic, which were like kind of girly flower, like little bitty flowers, like all over, but on the sole, like on this side of the sole, because you know Vans have that thick sole. It says "Not today, Satan." I love that. That's so hard. Proves that I don't mind the slipper shoe thing. Those are not really slipper shoes. I got this color. And I was like, you know, this is the color I don't have much. I have like suede boots, like total suede, like, but not winter boots, like more like fall boots. Well, I guess they can go in winter, but still, you know what I'm saying? But not like something just to slip on, a sweater and like fur on the inside and all. And I'm like, $5, you cannot beat that. And so yeah, most of the time my gray ones match whatever I'm wearing in the winter fine. They're like a light pale gray, or my black ones do. But yeah, but yeah, it's like, I think you have a $5 clearance too. And I think that was my haul. So thank you for watching. By the way, I don't recommend this lipstick. I'm making you tell it get messed up over here, and I'm trying to wipe it off. It's super dry. I tried it again. I've tried it before. The Amore lip mats from Milani are horrible. They're so dry. Like it might look okay right there, but up close, dry mess. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I've missed y'all. One day I'm gonna go live. I just gotta get back in the groove. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching. Doodles.